everyone. For today's video, I will be teaching you how to allow sensitive content on Twitter on your iPhone. First step, open your Twitter and make sure that you are logged in. Then, press the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen and press Settings and Privacy. Once you've pressed Settings and Privacy, press the Privacy and Safety icon or button, which is just under Twitter Blue. And once you pressed Privacy and Safety, you will be redirected to this page where you have to press Content You See. Under Content You See, you'll see Topics, Interests, and Explore settings. And under Topics and Interests, you can edit what you'll see on your Twitter page. After that, go back to Privacy and Safety and press Audience and Tagging. You can choose to turn on Protect Your Tweets, which will make your Twitter a private account. Once you're done going through Audience and Tagging, you can go back to Privacy and Safety and click Your Tweets. Under Your Tweets, you have the option to either turn on or turn off marking media you tweet as containing material that may be sensitive. And those are the steps you have to do to allow sensitive content on your Twitter account. If this video helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe, and we hope to see you again on our next videos.